Module 1, Lesson 21. Check your pattern sheet by pressing pause on this video. Once you're done, you may press play and check your problem set along with me. Number 1, problem set. Jason earns $6 per week for doing all his chores. On the 5th week, he forgets to take out the trash, so he earns only $4. Write and solve an equation to show how much Jason earns in 5 weeks. All right, so here's $6, $6, $6, $6, $4, right? And we don't know how much money he earned. So that's our unknown. So we have 4 weeks, right, where he earned $6. So 4 times 6 equals 24. All right, now he has that 1 week where he earned $1. So we have to add $4. So we have to add 24 plus 4 for that 1 week. So 24 plus 4 equals 28. So Jason earned $28. All right, Miss Leonto orders 4 packs of 7 markers. After passing out 1 marker to each student in her class, she has 6 left. Label the tape diagram to find how many students are in Miss Leonto's class. All right, so here we have markers, right, at the top, markers. And we don't know how many markers she had, right? We know she had 7 markers in each pack. So 7, 7. That's where we have these 4 groups. And the 7 is for how many were in each pack. So 4 times 7 equals 28. So she had 28 markers. So now we have students down here. And then we're going to just label this right here 28 markers, because that's how many markers we found out she had. Okay, and we had students down here. And then we knew she had 6 left over. So first we have to do 28, right? And then we have to minus 6. And what do we get? 28 minus 6. Right, we have 22. So there are 22 students in Miss Leonto's class. All right, now let's flip it over and look at our back side. Orlando buys a box of 18 fruit snacks. Each box comes with an equal number of strawberry, cherry, and grape-flavored snacks. He eats all the grape-flavored snacks. Draw and label a tape diagram to find how many fruit snacks he has left. All right, so here we have flavors, right? And we know there's 3 different flavors, right? Because we have strawberries 1, cherries 1, and grapes. So we have 3 groups, so we need to make 2 lines to make 3 groups. So here would be the strawberry. Here's cherry. And here's our grape, right? And we know that all of these snacks together are 18 snacks. Yes? So we have to do 18 divided by 3, and that equals what? It equals 6. So now we're going to make another tape diagram down here. And since we only ate the grape, that would be like 1/3, right? So here's the grape. And over here, the open space is the strawberry and cherry, right? And we know the grape is 6. So what we need to figure out is what this is. But we know this is all equal to 18 snacks. So what we're going to do is 18 minus 6. And what does that equal? Right, 12. There are 12 fruit snacks left. Okay, Eudora buys 21 meters of ribbon. She cuts the ribbon so that each piece measures 3 meters in length. How many pieces of ribbon does she have? All right, so we know 21 meters and we know 3 meters, right? So we're going to make a tape diagram. We have some missing information. So we know this much is 3, and I'm just going to put M for meters, right? And we know all of this would be 21 meters, but we don't know any pieces, right? That's our unknown. So it's going to be hard to make a type diagram if we don't know. So we're going to do 21 divided by 3, and that equals 7. Eudora has 7 pieces of ribbon. All right. Now, if Eudora needs a total of 12 pieces of shorter ribbon, how many pieces of shorter ribbon does she need? All right. So, make a tape diagram, right? Now, we had 12 pieces, right? So that's going to be this whole thing. 12 pieces. Now, what number did we have up here at the top? We had 7. So we're just going to make, when I think of 7, 7 is a little more than halfway through 12. So I'm going to make my line a little past the halfway. And so this is our 7 pieces. And our unknown is this. We don't know how many pieces these are. So we will figure that out by doing 12. And we're going to minus that 7 from up top. And we know that's 5. So she needs 5 more pieces of the shorter ribbon. All right, friends. Now press pause while you do your exit ticket, and then we'll check that together. Okay, Ms. Egereger buys 27 books for her classroom library. She buys an equal number of fiction, nonfiction, and poetry books. She shelves all the poetry books first. Draw and label a tape diagram to show how many books Ms. Egereger has left to shelve. So we know she has 27. So we have this big tape diagram, and we know we have 3 types of books: fiction, nonfiction, and poetry. So that's 3 groups. What's one less than 3? That's 2. So we're going to make 2 lines. And so this will be our fiction. This will be our nonfiction. And this will be our poetry, right? And these we know are the 27 books. Okay, and we need to know she already put up her poetry, so we have to do 27 and divide it by what? 3, and that equals what? Well, let's count. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. That equals 9. So we know we have 9 poetry books that went up. We don't know how many of these are. So now let's make another tape diagram. And we're going to make it into 2 groups, because we have this is our poetry that we know. And we know that's 9, right? And we know this all equals 27. So now we have to do 27 minus 9. Ooh, what is 27 minus 9? Right, that's 18. So she has 18 books left to shelve. All right, don't forget to do your 2 pages of homework, and